The Art of Woodworking. Free download, link in description. Top 5 Best Professional Wood Router. Number 5. Ridgid R2401. It's not every day that one comes across a wood router that lets you adjust and customize every cut that you make on a wooden block. But the Ridgid R2401 is one of the very few router models which lets you do that and a lot more, to help you breeze through any wood shaping job effortlessly. When using the Ridgid R2401 for ourselves, we just fell in love with the customizable cut feature, which lets us access it with the use of a very convenient and refined adjustment dial. The body is made to be compact and lightweight so that you can carry it around with you anywhere you go. There is a quick release lever as well, which will allow you to remove bits from the tool easily and keep it clean without having to take it in for maintenance every now and then. The bit housing is pretty solid and made out of lightweight aluminum, which is tough and durable, and you can subject it through frequent rough use without having to worry about it much. However, the rest of the tool is not as durable as the bits are and is made out of cheap plastic, which feels as though it will break down very easily. The body is not dustproof as well, and so if you are using the router for long, there are high chances that dust enters the internal mechanisms and damage them in the long run. Pros. A quick release lever helps to maintain the tool easily. Cut adjustable features to improve on the overall versatility. The compact and light body offers great portability. Cons. Most of the body is made out of cheap plastic and is not as durable. Not at all as dustproof as we would have liked it to be. Coming in number 4. Makita RT0701cx7. The Makita RT0701cx7 1 1/4 horsepower is all about providing the best value for money to customers who are looking for an affordable yet reliable wood router for both professional and domestic jobs. It's slim, ergonomically designed, and incredibly easy to handle, the perfect tool for both amateurs and adept woodworkers who frequently take up light to medium wood shaping works. Though one of the most budget-friendly models on the market today, the Makita RT0701cx7 1 1/4 horsepower by no means compromises on its quality and reliability. One of the router's most prominent features is the slow start component, which is just the perfect feature for those who are still quite new to using power tools. This component will allow one to ease into the full power of the tool, and not allow it to go full throttle from the start, thereby significantly improving the overall handling of the router, and preventing accidents that may have occurred otherwise. Additionally, the speed of the Makita RT0701cx7 1 1/4 horsepower is also monitored electrically and made to be as consistent and as reliable as possible. Its body is slim as well, and compact with a great lightweight rating, so you can very easily carry it around with you. However, the Makita RT0701cx7 1 1/4 horsepower tends to vibrate excessively from time to time. It occurs in short bursts when in use, especially for the more difficult jobs where you have to use the tool for prolonged periods. Hence, it's just better to stick to small to medium-sized woodworking jobs with it. Pros. One of the most budget-friendly wood routers on the list today. It has a slow start component, which helps the newer user ease into full power. Lightweight and portable design, easy to carry around. Cons: vibrates excessively from time to time in short bursts. Coming in number 3. Triton TRA001. If you're quite new to the woodworking scene and are still getting accustomed to the various tools and mechanisms involved in the process, then the Triton TRA001 router would be the perfect pick indeed. It comes with only 3 buttons and stable cutting power, which will not cause any problems for tool novices and amateurs. The Triton TRA001 is the ideal entry-level wood router and has been a fan favorite for a lot of domestic woodworkers for years now. The router is very easy to maintain, and if you ever need to adjust it in any way, then all you need is a good wrench, and you're good to go. Overheating is one issue that plagues power tools like wood routers a lot and is a major concern for a lot of the woodworkers out there. Now, the Triton TRA001 will hardly ever heat up. It is designed to support multiple vents which are cleverly placed all over its body. The vents also make sure that the wood dust doesn't have any access to any of the sensitive electrical components and ruin the internal mechanism of the router. It has a lightweight body as well, and you will be able to carry it around anywhere you want. However, durability is not exactly a strong suit for this router model, and there may be some issues with the electrical components after a certain point. The controls are normally the first ones to give away after several months of use. Pros: it has a lot of conveniently placed vents all over the body to reduce overheating. Compact and lightweight body, easy to carry around. One of the best entry-level wood routers out there today. Cons: not as durable as we would have liked it to be. Coming in number 2. Bosch 1617 EVSPK. When it comes to versatility in the field of woodworking, there are not many router models out there today that can compete with the sheer performance and versatility that Bosch 1617 EVSPK brings to the table. From plunge cuts to edge forming, laminate cutting, and even slot cutting, this router will be able to help you achieve them all. As we have mentioned above, the best part of the Bosch 1617 EVSPK is its versatility and the wide range of uses that you can put it through. But apart from the different wood shaping methods, the other aspect of this wood router that impressed us a lot was the 12-amp motor that it houses. The motor alone is capable of providing a significant amount of torque and cutting power to make the toughest of jobs look and feel much easier. It comes with a lot of user-friendly features as well and runs at a constant RPM so you can focus on the task at hand and not be constantly worried about holding down on the activation trigger. Durability is also another aspect that helps make this wood router to be a great travel companion. As the base is made with high-quality aluminum, the router is much lighter than it looks and can withstand the wear and tear of daily rough use. But so many positive features when bundled into one make for a very expensive wood routing tool indeed. And this is precisely why we will be recommending the Bosch 1617 EVSPK more for professional woodworkers than domestic ones. Pros: it comes with an incredibly powerful 12-amp motor. Lightweight and durable body structure, making it the perfect job site companion. It is capable of some of the most versatile range of uses. Cons: one of the most expensive wood routers on the list. Coming in number 1. DeWalt DWP611PK. If your workshop doesn't have much space to work around in, then this amazing wood router model from DeWalt may just be the perfect solution for all your wood shaping needs. It's moderately priced with a compact and portable design, so you can either carry it around with you or use it in a shop that has limited space. What impressed us the most about the DeWalt DWP611PK is the variable speed function that it comes with. By using the speed trigger, you will be able to change the motor rotation from 16,000 RPM all the way to 27,000 RPM very easily. So, if you have a lot of different jobs lined up from smaller ones to bigger ones, then this wood router will help you make quick work of all of them. The speed settings are what make this model so very versatile and a must-have for professional as well as amateur woodworkers. The router comes with some convenient lighting features as well. The design includes 2 separate LED lights which are mounted near the base. This will help you out on the jobs where you need to work in tighter, poorly lit places. However, there is one major issue that we did find with the DeWalt DWP611PK, and that was with the motor heating. When running at a lower RPM speed, the model works perfectly well. But at the highest RPM, the motor heats up significantly. This may cause your palms a lot of discomfort if you're planning to use it for a longer period of time. Pros: the DeWalt DWP611PK is quite budget-friendly compared to the features it provides. Has a variable speed customizing feature for improved versatility. It comes with an LED light setup so that you can work in dim conditions. Cons: it has a lot of heating issues at higher speeds,